Since my kiddos are not going to be with me anymore, I decided to pack my middle schoolers a backpack bag. And everything we got came from Dollar Tree or Target. And if y'all been here for a while, y'all already know in my bag bag, I have everything we might need. So I just wanted to make sure they would too. So these are all the bags we're going to be using. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, first up is my 8th grader. This is his spray that I'm going to send him to school with. It fits in the bag, but everything else wouldn't fit. So I'm just going to set it to the side. We have some face and body wipes we're going to place in. He has braces right now, so I just want to give him some extra little picks in case he needs them. And of course, you need Vaseline, right? I picked up these little travel size deodorants. I thought they would fit perfectly in here, and of course we need some moisturizer as well. Threw a couple of these like mini brushes in their bag and some gum as well in case they need it. I also threw one stain remover wipe in there, and every week I will come back and check his bag. If there's anything needs to be added, I'll do it. My oldest son has a phone, so I'm giving him an extra charger and a battery pack in case he might need it. And I'm also going to go ahead and throw in an umbrella because we live in Colorado where you get all 4 seasons in one day. All right, y'all, on to my 7th grader, the same kind of container, and he's using Clean Slate instead of the Ocean. Most of the stuff getting added to Connor's bag is the same exact thing that we added into Jakari's bag with slight changes. Every kid is like a little bit different, so I had to like adjust just a bit. So if you see something in one bag and not in the other, just know the other kid must either have it or they don't need it, okay? One of the few changes I put in Connor's bag were his eyeglass wipes since he does wear glasses, and some hand sanitizer since he doesn't have anything clipped onto his bag. I gave him an extra pair of headphones since they do need them for school, and I gave him an umbrella as well. Now on to Jalise. She has a total of 3 bags. One of them is not pictured in the video, but these are the 2 I'm going to be using. So Jalise recently got braces and she wanted a full-size toothbrush and toothpaste, so I went ahead and did that for her. I gave her these toothpaste tablets and some picks as well in case she needs them after eating. She likes gum, so I made sure to find her some sugar-free gum, and I also got her some mouthwash because the one she had just spilt all over the place. Now moving over to the next bag, I'm going to go ahead and put some face wipes inside of here in case she needs them for after gym. And I'm adding tissue to her bag. I did go back and add tissues to the boys' cases as well. I added a travel size deodorant, some body butter, and band-aids because Jalise is so prone to accidents. Next up, I'm throwing in a set of nail clippers and hand sanitizer. Wipes don't fit inside her feminine bag, so I'm just going to go ahead and throw them inside this one here, as well as this compact mirror and a hair tie. Found a really cute small little perfume or body spray, so I threw that in there. And lastly, most importantly, her prayer box is going inside as well. So for things that don't fit in her bag, her umbrella and her headphones, she definitely needs those. And this is how it came out, y'all. I think it is so super cute. What are you putting in your kids' back to school bags?